Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I just thought I'd do a quick video in celebration of Independence Day, so I hope you guys are having an amazing 4th of July. And so I built this quite a while ago, and so I figured today would be a good day to give it a test fire and see how well it works. So this video is for all of you men and women who have served in our military or who are currently serving. I just want to say thank you guys so much for fighting for our freedom and keeping our country safe. So this video is for you guys and celebrating our red, white, and blue. Let's give it a shot and see how well it works. And I just wanted to make a quick note that if you guys are interested in how I built this, I will have a video up in probably a couple of days, and I will post that over at my Patreon page with the details of how I built this and how I built the rounds that it shoots. All right, here goes. Alright, well, that didn't work so well. Let's try. I wish you guys could have saw that. Let's try that again. Oh snap. Well, that one didn't fly very far. Let's try that again. Alright guys, last round, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Dude. Okay, hang on. I gotta take the camera off here for a second and show you guys this. This just destroyed. Oh man. Kind of put a hole in the ground and it literally like blew the entire end off this thing. See if this camera is still rolling actually. Oh yes, it is. Nice. Oh wow. Oh man. Oh dang, here's the handle. Well, so much for that, I guess. It's what happens when one of the rockets gets stuck in the gun, blows it to pieces. Man, that kind of sucks. I was hoping to shoot that a few more times actually. Alright guys, well thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys again have a great 4th of July. Hopefully yours is a little more productive than mine has been. Till next time, you guys be safe. We'll see you in the next video.